晚上好，
晚上好，老师。
很好。来，我们来开始
好，
para makarami tayo. Okay. 好的，来，来试
Yan
试
po
的，
kuya. Isang
来
kilo.
Eponin,
Tapos
ER,
ito din po, isang kilo.
1 and 2.
Okay.
Eponin, TETR.
Isang kilo. Ito na lang yun.
Like, I think Eponin got disconnected. You want to start, Marjorie?
I-choose po ba yung tamang sagot?
Yes. You just read the Hanzi. Read the word and then give me the meaning.
Tacha. Is it
Apo.
everybody? I'm
Yeah.
not sure.
Yeah, it's everybody. Yeah, it's correct. Then TR.
Senma. TR.
TR
Senma.
is number 2.
Yeah. Senma. What?
Okay. Yeah. Lai Loren, 3 and 4. Tisan Tisu.
孟子
Ming Zi. Ayan na Meng. Ming. Ayan letter I.
名字 name 认识 no
Okay. No, di ba? Very nice to know you. Okay, very glad to know you. Lai Eponin, 第5, 第6.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, sige, 5, 6, 7. It's yours.
5, 6, 7 po.
Pag na-disconnect ka, kayo. Okay.
Thank you.
Go ahead. 5, 6, 7.
高兴 happy, glad. 新闻 may I ask? 你好 hello.
Okay, 谢谢. Okay, let's review everything na. Jean, 1到7, 1 to 7.
1 to 7 po.
If I said 1到7,
E1.
yeah, E is 1,
Ah.
and then the word 到, no, is 2 or up to.
2.
Parang
Okay.
I said 1到7, 1 to 7.
Okay. Okay. 大家 everybody 算吗 what 名字 name 认识 no 高兴 happy glad 请问 may I ask 你好 hello.
Okay, 好的，谢谢。来等一下 Clarice 你了。
Taicha. Everybody. Shenma, what? Mingzi, name. Renshe, may I ask? Housing, happy or glad? Singwon, no. Ni hao,
What is Qingwen?
Singwon.
So yung 认识 mo is 不对。
Renshe is know and get to know.
Okay.
And Singwen is may I ask?
Okay.
And ni hao is hello.
Okay, 好的，谢谢。Can you repeat it again, Clarice? 1到7。
Taicha, everybody. Taicha. Shenma,
Why 大家，大
Tai,
家。
ta, jia.
Okay, kasi
Is
DA lang. It's DA. 大家。
Ta, jia. Everybody. Shen me, what? Ming zi, name. Ren shi, no. How sing, glad or happy. Singwon, may I ask? And ni hao is hello.
Okay, 谢谢。Yani?
Tadja, everybody. Shenma, what?
家 and 大家。
Tadja, everybody.
No J sound.
Shenma,
大家。
Shenma, what? Mingzi, name. Renshi, no. Gaoxing, happy or glad. Xingwun, may I ask? Ni hao, hello.
Okay, 好的，谢谢。来，Nikki?
No, ma'am, sorry. Imamatch po namin yung words.
Yes.
Kami po yung may sagot mo. So, sige po, wait lang po. Kakapasok ko lang po sa...
Answer. Okay.
Nagpanik ako. Dadja, name.
What is the meaning of 大家?
Dadya, name.
It's incorrect. You choose the correct answer.
Pwede po next ako, ma'am. Isulat ko lang po.
Sige, sige.
Sorry.
Ah. Okay. Evelyn, 可以吗 ？Everything.
Tadja, everybody. Shema, what? Mingzi, name. Renshi, no. Gaoxing, happy, glad. Qingwen, may I ask? Ni hao, hello.
Anna Rose nila.
Tadja, everybody. Shanma, what? Mingsi, name. Rinshi, no. No or get to know. Kaoxing, happy, glad. Chingwon, may ask or excuse. Ni hao, hello.
Okay, Hata. All are called na ba? Lauren, done na everything?
1 and 2 lang po.
Okay, good.
Tatya, everybody. Shenme, name. Mingze, Shenme, what? Mingze, name. Renshi, no. Kaoxing, happy, glad. Xingwen, may I ask? Ni hao, hello.
Okay. Lai, Nila, Nikki?
Hello po. Dadya, everybody. Shenme, what? Mingchi, name. Mingzi, name. Ranshi, no. Gaoqing, happy. Chingwon, may I ask? Ni hao, hello.
Okay. Everyone are good, ha? The tones is keep getting better. So, keep up, ha? Keep on reading. Magiging sanay na sobra. Okay? As you can see, nakakalag-in kayo sa advanced ko, di ba? They are from like you lang. No? Starting as in 0. Then they are now so good in pronunciation, in everything. So, effort lang talaga. So, tama? So keep on reading and reading. Keep on memorizing vocabulary words. Keep on understanding what is the constructing the sentence, no? How the sentence will be constructed, no? So, Shutama, just keep on doing it.
How?
So, as you can imagine, yung mga advanced ko is galing din talaga sa inyo, from zero. We just, I think, together, for how many months ba kami? I don't know na rin. Okay? I started last year, September lang for this language center. So, yung advance ko, kailan lang nag-start? Within this year lang din. So, just imagine. No? Just keep on learning lang. The advance, it's only requested kasi from them din. Kasi they said they have a beginner, then they want to continue. But it depends kasi medyo na-advance na kasi yung advance ko eh. So, it depends on you kung gusto nyong jump into advance. But, kailangan talaga more effort to memorize. Okay? Like, 我们来看. Look at this one. Who can answer that part? Clarice, you want to try?
你叫什么名字？
Okay, 你叫什么名字？这个是叫。Okay. Then, 第二个 second part. Yani? Want to try, Yani? If you remember yesterday, how we answered that? What is asking? Ano yung blank?
Ako po.
Yes, Yani.
Try ko lang po. San Yonshin Shenma.
It is a
Sang
bit,
Yonshin. Ay, san? Yan po. Sang Yonshin Shenma.
again,
Ay,
Changyun.
pardon.
One word lang. What is Changyun? Then what is sing? Anyone can help Yani?
名词?
Sang,
Parang
yun,
ano po ba siya?
ting, sang.
Changyun, sing, chang. Oh, bakit sing, chang?
Last name.
Sinasabi niya yung last name niya yung Zhang.
Yes, kasi di ba Changyun is the name?
Yes.
And then first one is the surname.
Yes.
So, Changyun, sing, chang. Remember Wang Yu, sing, Wang.
Yeah, Wang Yin.
Our review yesterday. Okay. Now, what is the last one? Who want to try?
Mark, she mark.
对，很好。马克是 mark. So sa puzzle, what is the answer? Ang question niya is 你叫什么名字? If you are doing a puzzle,
我叫肖，我叫张吗？我张
我叫张，
张，哎，我叫张，我叫张， 克
Yes, 我叫张克，right? So, 你叫什么名字？我叫张克。So, ang pangalan niya is 张克。So, naging apelido niya is Chang, then pangalan niya is Ke. Right? So, from the answer, 张允姓张，马克是 Mark， 你叫什么名字 ？Right? Okay. Everyone, anyone can read everything? Marjorie, go. From 你叫什么名字? So, it's 4, huh? Until you get the answer.
Saan po galing yung ke?
From the 马克, di ba? Ito yung answer. 马克是
Mark. Okay. Let's go. Okay. 你叫什么名字？张燕姓张，马克是 Mark。
And the final answer,
叫张克。
tama mo si Wo.
我叫张克。
Oh, kasi it is answer the question, 你叫什么名字 right?
Yes,
Okay.
老师。
Read. 谢谢 Marjorie.
不客气。
好吧，会了，不客气。来 Lauren, your turn. 你了？
你叫什么名字？
名字
名sorry， 你叫什么名字？张云姓张，马克是。我叫张克。
OK， 谢谢。来Anna Rose.
你叫什么名字？张云姓张，马克是。我叫张克，我叫张克。
Okay, nice, Anna Rose. 好的 Eponine, 你了？
你叫什么名字？张云欣让，马克是。我叫张可。
Okay, 马克是 Mark. You can pronounce the word Mark. Okay. Yani.
你叫什么名字？张又姓张允姓张，马克是 Mark。我叫张
克
克。
张克，di ba 马克是
I forgot.
nag-loading. Okay. 调 ha, no J sound sa Yani. 调
Yeah.
调 Jean.
你叫什么名字？张云姓张，马克是 Mark， 我叫张克。
OK， 好的。来Nikki.
你叫什么名字？张云欣张，马克是 Mark。 我叫张克。
OK， 知道了哈。还有谁 ？Clarice。
你叫什么名字？张云欣张，马克是 Mark。 我叫张克。
Everyone called na? OK，好的，谢谢。来下一个，来Kate and si Kate si Marjorie, no? Kate and Anna Rose. Kate, you will be Shuti Fu. Anna Rose, you will be Wang Yu.
wait, sorry. 请问你叫什么名字？Tama po ba? Is it
Mhm.
right?
Yes,
Thank you.
yes. Anna Rose. Anna Rose, you will be Wang Yu.
Sorry po, nagsalita po ako tapos hindi ko pala na-on.
Go ahead.
我叫王佑宁呢，
我叫史蒂夫。
认识你很高兴。
OK，好的，谢谢。来 Jean and Kate.
Ako po si
Yes.
Shitifu.
Yes, you will be Shuti Fu. Sino ba yung unang tinawag ko kanina na pair? Sorry, I forgot again. So it's Anna Rose and the first one.
Kate po.
Kate na pala. So Jean and Clarice. Clarice, you will be Wang Yu.
请问你叫什么名字？
我叫王友义呢，
我叫 Shitifu.
认识你很高兴。
Okay, 谢谢。Yanni and Nikki. Yanni, you will be Shuti Fu. Yanni. Yanni and Nikki. 在吗？
有不吗？
Yanni 在吗？ Okay, let's go with ano muna. What for Yanni? Eponine, can you be the Shuti Fu?
OK，
Then Nikki will be
请
Wang.
问你叫什么名字？
我叫王佑宁呢，
我叫史蒂夫。
认识你很高兴。
Okay, Renee 很高兴. Who else?
高兴。
Lauren, Yanni, are you there?
Ay,
Ayun.
yes po. Sorry po, hindi ko po narinig kanina.
Okay, Lauren and Yanni. Lauren, you will be Shuti Fu.
请问你叫什么名字？
什么？
什么？
Wu Zhao Wang Yun Nin.
我叫史蒂夫。
认识你很高兴。
Okay, 好的，谢谢。来, let's arrange this one. TE, read and arrange, ha? Read and arrange. Eponine, what want to try? TE number 1.
你叫什么名字？
Okay. Hindi mo na binasa, sabi ko read and arrange.
Sorry.
It's okay. Go ahead, sige. Read mo na. Bago mo arrange. 什么
什么叫你名字？
Mhm.
你叫什么名字？
Okay, 谢谢。来，Anna Rose T. 二。
什么网友姓？网友姓什么？
Wang Yu. Yu. Practice the Yu, no?
玉
Para susuka na lang, ah. Yu. Alay, Loren, want to try Tisan?
什么是 Mark 中文名字的 Mark 的中文名字是什么？
Okay, I think we are all good na here. Lai? Okay. Clarice T.
你叫什么名字？
Jean T. 二。
Yan ba? Ay, sorry po. Yung pusa po kasi. Nasaan ako? Wait.
Number 2. Nandiyan ka na. So, number 2, T.
Wait lang po.
Ito yung choices.
Nasa taas po, no? Hindi ko kasi alam. Ano po yung na? Nga ulit.
How about you? Di ba? So, what is the word that you're
Renshinihan Gaosing.
Ayun.
Renshinihan Gaosing. Sorry.
Okay. So later you check now the next answer. Yes, ano. Like, Nikki, Tisan, number 3.
我是网友，你呢？
是。
我是网友，你呢？
Okay. Pag yung mga he, she, it na she, no? Ibig sabihin mali yung SH mo, ha? It must be 是。
是，我是网友，你呢？
And that's Jean. 我是网友呢 I am Wang Yu. How about you? Or and you? Right? Okay. 谢谢。给第4。
我姓金，叫 Sandra King。
Okay. 好的。Eponine, can you read everything?
你叫什么名字？认识你很高兴。我是网友，你呢？我姓 King，叫 Sandra King。
好的，谢谢。Yani, everything?
你叫什么名字？认识你很高兴。我是网友，你呢？我
Okay.
姓 Kim，叫 Sandra Kim。
好的，谢谢。Okay, may有问题的哈。So, let's start. So, as you can see, ito yung explain ko before, di ba? The Mr., Miss, Mrs., and Miss. So, what is Mr.? What is Miss? What is, no? MS and MISS na Miss. No? So, siguro yung MISS is the younger one. And then the Miss is the mid-age, no? And above. Then Tai is the Mrs. So as you can see, it's always the last name first. No? Remember what I mentioned? It's always using the last name to address you. No? And then the last name should be first bago ang Mr. Baliktad siya ng English. Okay? Ata, let's review na. Jean, go. Ni hao, hello, everything.
Ni hao, hello. Ni, you, how, good, okay. Ching Wun, may I ask, excuse me? Ching, please invite. Wun, ask. Jiao, be called. Shenma, what? Mingzi, name. Wo, I, me. Ne, used to ask questions. 认识, know, get to know. 很, very. 高兴, glad, happy. Ay,
Continue.
meron pa pala sa kabila.
Uwi na.
Xiao Jie. Meron pa pala sa kabila. Xiao Jie, miss. 对不起, sorry. Sing, surname, family name. 中文, Chinese. 是, be. 你们, you, plural. 大家, everybody. 他, he, him. 他, she, her. 先生, Mr. 女士, Miss. 太太, Mrs. 同学,
同学
同学, schoolmate. 老师, teacher.
It's nice, ah. Pag hindi ko kayo kino-correct, it means it's correct naman siya, ha? So, it means getting better, no, of all of you. Again, the IAN, just to let you know, is equivalent to sounds of IEN. Everything that you see IAN, it's a IEN sounds. Okay? Tama? And then as you, di ba, as I said, the I is equivalent to Y din. Kaya if you say a YAN, it's also an IEN sounds. Okay? Remember that, huh? Like, before we end, no, tomorrow I will let you read naman this part eh. And then we can go to the next. But, graduate na tayo sa PE ko, sa lesson 1. We will go to lesson 2 na. How? So again, it's good naman. I don't know sa inyo, but for me, it's good naman that don't rush everything. The important is na you know how to read na, and then the tones is better na than the first day natin or second day or first week. So it's good. Kasi if we keep on rushing and then learn the vocabulary, habol lang natin is vocab, you don't need Lauscher. You can read it by yourself. So, as long as napapractice niyo yung tamang tones. So, just a quick discussion, then we can end na since lagi naman ako nakapag-extend sa inyo. So, as you can see, this is the rules sa yung mga U sounds. The U sounds is a U with a 2 dot. Para siyang smiley face. Pero as you can see, yung mga tongxue, mga wang yu, bakit walang 2 dot? Dapat may 2 dot yan. Kasi the yu sounds is with 2 dot. It is like this one. As long as kapartner niya is JQXY, take a note on this one na I only have 1 minute. Basta JQXY ang partner, and katabi niya is U, it means it is all U sounds. Hindi siya U sounds. Basta JQXY. As you can see, tongxue, it's an X. Kaya pasok siya sa JQXY. So you will encounter JU, QU, XU, YU. It's also have Yue. So JUE, QUE, XUE, YUE. Chue, chue, xue, yue. No? So you can also encounter UAN and then UN. So these 4. Pero ang lahat ng letter U dyan is U sounds. Okay? So practice yan. It will be chi, chi, shi, chue, chue, xue, yuan, chuan, chuan, xuan, yuan, and chin, chin, xin, yun. Okay? I will discuss it again na lang tomorrow. Okay, 明天见, 再见, see you tomorrow. Magka-cut out kasi. Okay.
After 1 an.
Everyone, and
See you, Lauscher.
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.